God, it is cold today. Right, back in the car, but should be going to the gym now. Is the car on? Yep, there we go. I've left my headphones at home, so I need to go home and have the willpower to grab my headphones, get back out the door to the gym and not sit on the sofa. Do not sit on the sofa. Don't sit down, don't sit down, don't sit down, don't sit down, don't sit down. Oh, look at the sofa. Don't sit down, don't sit down. Oh, don't need the wire. Don't sit down, straight back out. Let's go, don't sit down. We did it. And we've made it to the gym. So we are going to get in, get a workout done, and then get back home in time to do some cooking. And I don't think I've introed this video yet, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be the next video, which is like an afternoon to myself. I'm sure yesterday's one I said today's one would be the afternoon to myself. So yeah, today's is the afternoon's one to myself. I've got a little afternoon to myself. I'm going to get gym done. I've got some cooking to do. I've got some house stuff to do. I'm going to take you guys with me as I like to do. So if you want to see what I get done in the afternoon to myself, come along, hang out. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. Thanks for all the support on the channel, and we do appreciate it. And I love, most importantly, the comments that people leave on the videos, questions, just nice things, saying hi, where you've been recently, that type of thing. Thank you all those people that comment. Yeah, we're going to the gym, and I'll talk more when I'm done. 1 hour later, we're done. That was hard work. That was the hardest one. Well, not the hardest one I've done so far. The first one was the hardest one I've done so far, but different. Though I did run. I decided to go for a run on the treadmill because I want to see how quick I could do a kilometre. As I was talking to a friend of mine that goes a while ago about like the 4-minute kilometre, and I managed to break that. So I did a kilometre in technically 3:57. It was at 3:54 pace, but obviously it takes a while to warm up. But I'm proud of that one. But now, time to go home and get on with the day, because we've got an hour and a half, and I've got a lot I need to do. Okay, we're home, and the plan of action being, before Rachel is back in, I reckon I've got 3 hours. In these 3 hours, I need to cook a shepherd's pie, which we're having for tea tonight. I need to cook my dinner to eat now, because it is 2 o'clock, and I've not eaten since breakfast. I need to cook my dinners for the rest of the week. That's job number 3. And I need to just have a general kind of spruce up, tidy up. Like down here, this area is looking a bit of a mess. And I think that is everything. So yeah, eat, cook, probably eat again then. Because this is what I mean. In yesterday's video, I was talking about food and metabolism a little bit. And like I know very little about it. I'm not into my exercisey science. I'm just trying to go to the gym and trying to look after myself. And like I know today I've eaten a bowl of cereal and it's 2 p.m. And in that time I've done half a day's work at school, and I have been and done an hour in the gym lifting weights and going for a run. Like that's not healthy. It's not. I don't know what to call it. I need to eat more food, I know is the answer. And instead, I'm drinking one of these. I have got mince pies over here, if that counts. Does that count? Let me know in the comments if you like. These are the only mince pies I like. Well, they're the only ones I really would ever pick. So yeah, that's the plan. I will pop in and out and show you what I'm doing, and I'll let you know once it's all done, and I'll show you how the food looks and that type of thing. And this is the afternoon. We've got potatoes boiling, mince cooking, about to put the gravy in for the shepherd's pie. I need to get some peas actually put in that in a second. Oven's warming up, and then once that's all done, I'm then going to start thinking about my dinners for the week, because there's like a pasta bolognese I need to make. But we're getting there. It's nice feeling like I'm actually making progress through the jobs. I've also realised I've got a dishwasher to empty as well, so yay for me. I was thinking earlier on, this is what adulting is like, right? Being an adult, I now have access to adult money, and I have used adult money, and I have like, I've got a computer, I've got a PlayStation, or whatever else. Like you can buy things, and you get hours to yourself, like now, and I mean, I'm lucky if I'm going to spend half an hour sat down doing something I want to do, because you have adult jobs like going to the gym and exercising and cooking so you can eat and wash dishes So this is adulting at its best, isn't it? But it'll be worth it when it's done. I will feel good about myself. While that is bubbling away, I'm going to cook my food. So this is a chicken katsu curry stir fry. It is from Iceland, don't judge me. It tastes beautiful, and it is 11 minutes and it's done. Sometimes I microwave it, sometimes pan fry it. You can also air fry it. Right now, ease is important. But this is what I mean when I'm talking about eating. Like, I'm trying to log what I'm doing, right? And if I put it on here, so far today I've had just over 100 grams of granola for breakfast with some milk. And then I've eaten that. And once you add in the exercise I've done, I still need to eat another 2,800 calories to, like... I've set it so I can gain weight, but I'm trying to make sure I don't lose weight. Obviously with the exercise I'm doing, it doesn't really take that into account a lot, I don't think. I can't set like a normal... Anyway, that's a lot of calories left to eat today, and I've not got a lot of time or patience to eat that much food, so... Please let me know what I can do in the comments, because I don't know. Now for my next trick, I will show you my secret mashed potato recipe. And by secret, I mean, it's the only way I know how to do it. Please let me know if you know a better way. So we have the potatoes, freshly boiled. Where can I stand you up? And then you get your milk, and you go splash, and you get your lure pack, and you go sploosh, and you get your masher, and you go mash. And that makes mashed potato. Again, like I said just now, if there is a way you make mashed potato that makes the creamiest, loveliest mashed potato ever, and what I just did is not it, then please let me know in the comments how you do it. And next time I will pick the best one I think, or the one I think that looks like it'll make the best mash, and I'll make it, because this mash is good, but it's nothing special. It's just at the top of a shepherd's pie. And I would love to be able to make any type of food really nice, to be fair. My cooking skills they're not non-existent. I can make a lot of food in a decent way, but I can't make anything good. Like, there's no meal I make is ever like, wow, that is the best thing I've ever eaten kind of meal. And that's what I want. Look at me all steaming. So, help me out is what I'm trying to say. Help me out. Right, let's get that on the mince. Turns out I have made way too much mashed potatoes. So it looks like I'm having chicken curry and mashed potato for dinner. And there you go. Does anyone else do this, by the way, with the lines? Just looks nice. Makes it crisp a little bit more. Anyway, one job done. Woo! I say one job done. They are now in the oven actually cooking, so they go like brown and nice on the top. And that's almost done. Oh yeah. So it's not one job done at all. It's one job half done, but the hardest half is done. So now put these bits in the fridge, tidy up a little bit. I'm going to sit and eat, and then I'm going to begin round 2 of my food, because hopefully that will be a little bit easier. It's already gone 3 o'clock though. The time has come to get the shepherd's pie out and see what they look like. There's number 1. And there's number 2. And this, I'd say they're looking pretty good. Go nice and brown and crispy on the top, not too much. I'm quite happy with them, but like I say, they're just average, aren't they? But hey ho, they're good enough. They'll do for tea tonight. Alright, that means that job is now officially done. We've still got, though, a pasta bolognese to make. So it's time to get some more water boiling. And I need to do the dishwasher because that one needs to go in and it's still full. So, busy, busy, busy. We're still here, we're still cooking. Onto the pasta bolognese. I've only got about half the pasta I need. The mince is currently frying off, and then we'll start putting some stuff in it. I am so cooked out. 10 to 4 it is now. I am over cooking. It's getting dark outside. This is long. The meal prep is done. Kitchen is looking semi-tidy, about as tidy as it was when I started, which I will take. I've just been on the phone with Rachel. She just finished work and she's going to swimming. And I am done, and I'm going to go and get Noah in a minute. So this is where today's vlog is going to end. Tomorrow's one will be our evening kind of routine, and I'm going to pick this video up in a second and show you what we'll do on an evening when we go and get Noah. I'm going to wait a little bit because I could go get Noah now, but hopefully Rachel will be done swimming and back in time to go and get him together, because it's always nice when we get to go together. So I'm going to go and sit down for half an hour because, oh my god, do I want to sit down? It's been manic. Oh, I need to clean that first. But yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for leaving all the comments. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for liking it. And most of all, thank you to the channel members who join the channel and help us go on those little bits of extra travel just to show you guys where we go in the world. And I will see you guys next time.